Third one, she writes a letter to her mother. ಆಕೆ ತನ್ನ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಿತಾಳೆ. ಡೈಲಿ ಶಿ ರೈಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ is underlined word here. So which part of speech it belongs to, whether it is a noun, verb, whether it is pronoun, whether it is noun, or whether it is conjunction. So I told you verb means the action word, isn't it? So writing or write is action, correct? So writing, she is writing or she writes letter to her mother. So write indicates action, some activity going on, some action is going on. So writes is a verb. Here one thing is there, children. She writes a letter. Okay. They write letter. We write letter. So she ಅನ್ನೋದು it is in singular form, right? So singular form ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು write ಬದಲು writes ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ it is a third person. He, she, it ಅನ್ನೋದು third person ಅಲ್ವಾ? So I is a first person. I is first person. Okay. You second person, and she, he, she, it, those are what third person. Okay. So third person singular ಇದ್ದಾಗ right ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, writes ಬರುತ್ತೆ. writes, reads, drinks, eats ಈ ತರ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿ ಇದ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಐ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿ ಐ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಮದರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಐ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ the third person singular form, you should use yes to the verb. Okay. So answer is option A, verb is the right answer.